Alright, part 4, part 2.
Kind of technical difficulties.
Yeah, we kind of fucked it up.
Alright, so back
So
where
it's
we're
fun
at.
though, it's your first time as a cameraman.
You see a hill over there, see cars, see this, see where we can break in at. Another majestic bird.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Yeah, we should probably maybe like go a bit more down, come and then go back.
Yeah.
What time is it? Like, it's like,
We should already be like at 20 minutes.
yeah, like do that.
10, 12.
10, 12 when we get out at, so we should start going back at maybe 10:28. 10:28.
Alright.
Maybe 10:25 maybe. Oh, it depends how far we go.
Yep. Look at this poor kid house.
How far are we gonna go?
Whoa, look at that. Come on now, fellas. I think people actually live here.
Broken windows.
Yeah, I wonder how that happened. Ha.
How far are we going, Nesto? Tell the video.
Alright, we're gonna go down there.
Holy shit, that shit's scary.
Broken window. My bad, too. Do it again.
I don't think we're gonna be able to go the other pathways then if we're going all the way on this one.
Should we turn back? Oh, contractor
Either we
development
go
center.
back and go on a different trail, or we go all the way on this one.
Yeah, we can dead ass get in trouble.
Yeah, honestly, we're way off the school grounds.
My bad. Alrighty.
We're living life to its fullest, aren't we? This is it.
No time to do drugs.
No, that's that. Look, we're not those people.
Almost.
We're still good kids.
Almost.
We just want to explore it.
Oh shit. Turn back around.
We better keep it.
Ooh. So, minor confusion.
They looked at us as like, what the fuck? We turn back now?
Oh, another car? That windshield broken? That windshield's broken.
Oh, you've been here before. Yeah, I think that's broken. Shattered. What's down that way? You've been here before.
No, I haven't.
Oh.
I would never. Oh, look at majestic squirrel.
Should we go fully like go down that way? Want to fully explore this place or no?
What do you want to do for the clips? Alright.
Well, because again, then we can't go the other pathways if we do. So we decided to go straight down.
What is this? New weapon. Should we turn around now? Trying to go back.
Whatever you want to do. You're the cameraman today. You make the place. Leave it the relic here?
Yeah. Got a better relic.
Yeah, record it so we know exactly where it is next time. Remember that. It's right there. We'll come back for it one day.
One day.
Yep.
Since we're not checking out these places.
Yeah, we'll do this in a different episode. That means we're going to go like part 20 then. Yeah, these are going to be a fun last weeks before we get out of school.
Every day until school ends.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
At least until we get like fucked or caught technically. Just hopefully.
Oh
never
shit,
happens.
more people. Fuck. We can honestly get in trouble. Fuck. Let's keep on going. Watch Miss Lucker show up again.
Just pull up in the fucking.
Yeah.
Are we going the right way or did we miss our way?
Oh shit, it's this way.
What?
This way.
It's not.
It is, for sure. For sure it's that way.
Ah, no, it's not. Fuck. Yeah, we missed our way. We're not going the right way. We went further this way.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
We went down. Over there. Yeah, pretty sure. They went that way and we went that way.
Like this way. This part where we get lost, bro.
So we're just gonna keep on walking because there's people behind us.
Yep. Where we were holding sticks and fucking head on fire. I think we're fucking homeless kids.
Yep. So
Oh,
we're
no,
just...
man, I think you're right. You're right. Yeah, you're right. All right.
It's this way.
And we're there for a second. I saw it and recognized it.
Yep.
My bad, boys. Yeah.
Very
Well, I'm
cool.
not the cameraman today.
Are you still staring at it? What was their birthday? Yikes.
For what?
This is cool. See that? Very strange, fellas.
We said we from school.
Oh yeah, we just did score now.
That's the real
I kind of want to get those guys on video. Just people. Must hide in tree. Must hide in tree. So look at those guys over there are the guys that caught us.
Now they have a gun and a flashlight like under the barrel. I'm like, oh.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a little peek with them. Now to we're at 5 minutes. Should we start heading back?
What's that time? Check time?
11, 17. 10, 17, 10, 17.
We can maybe choose one pathway, but if it's too long, then we have to start using that.
Alright.
Oh no, it already took kind of long to get all the way over here.
So you guys
you're
like the
you're
new
the
stick?
decision maker. You're the one with the camera.
I feel like breaking this, but I feel like it's glass. It's glass. I knew it.
Dumbass.
I knew it.
We all, yes, we did know it.
Look at that smoke, boys.
Fucking retard.
Get clips. How I break it on that now? Since I already broke my
Yeah,
stick.
it's too late now. Just don't get your fucking hand cut.
This camera. Almost break it. He's got smoke. Why is there this fucking road? Oh my god.
Didn't hit it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I wanted you to do.
Got clip.
Flip.
More.
Yeah, one more.
Little fire action. It's gonna hit him in the face. Fuck that.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's fucking throw that shit. I'll be a bit distant.
I was weak. Like, maybe if I do this. Yeah! Get clips.
Good clips. Well, here you go, sir.
Yes, sir. Alright. Wait. Which are we still going on? One down here?
Yep. If we don't remember, we can always look it back at the
All you guys
video.
see now, no more relic. No more toys. Just got finger guns.
We left that relic back there for when we
Yeah.
come back.
Had to get the clips right there. Gotta break something every video. Besides the first video.
Yeah.
Yep.
That one we just knew that was our first expiration date. But didn't know what the fuck we were doing.
Expectation time. Alrighty. Here we go.
Pathway, or are we going back?
New pathway. We came to this way. Going this way.
Time check? Make sure.
Time check. It's probably like 10:19. That's correct. Alright.
19? Alright, maybe like 10:25, 10:20. Go.
So we might die. Whoa, do you guys see that over there?
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's like till part 30. Holy shit.
Is something moving?
Yo, that goes to like that's the deep woods.
You see that?
Yeah.
I think I'm not moving. Straight trees.
Should we explore the deep woods now?
Yeah, it was the time.
Alright, we'll explore it a little bit. Leave a relic behind and we'll come back for it.
Yeah.
What should I leave? My new crafted gun? Or the thing that
We'll leave it
crafted
right when we get by the school.
Huh?
We'll drop it when we get by the school. So we might actually get caught because the construction workers, I think they're gonna sneak us out to high school.
Who said we were high school?
Huh?
I said who said we were high school?
They're gonna guess because the closest school here is to the high school.
Yeah.
Drip too hard. A murder. Oh shit. The Papachelos?
Oh, this is nowhere near Papa Chevo's. This is nowhere near the pathway that they take.
Wait, this is the roof over here.
Yeah, this is gonna go like part 30.
I think it's someone's house. Oh, this is Bandos.
Again?
Yeah.
Randos.
Mission. Alright. We're at 9 minutes.
Like that. We'll be here one day.
It's 10:21 right now.
That's point one.
Yeah.
And then we still have to get back to our recorder, record back to this stuff we gotta do.
Look at all these trees, relics, going through the woods.
You gonna go through the trees or are you just gonna go to the
I go to trees.
Stupid bitch.
Need content. That suck.
Yeah,
I-
fuck that.
Black.
Dude, if you do that, bro, you gotta
Must do it.
So there's no other way here.
You'll see this. Majestic trees can be dangerous. Ow. 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 I did it! Yeah. Did you even go the right way?
We should have not done that, but yeah, we did it.
Who are the clips? Alright. Alright, we're going that way. I think.
By the way, we're never doing that again, because that way.
My back went up.
A little bit. Watch, it's gonna tear a hole because we're going through branches and shit.
Yeah.
So yeah, never doing that again. Hello? Let me just.
We're at 11 minutes. 11:23. 10:23.
10:23. Yeah, let's go.
We might miss a couple classes this year. You know, guys, it don't matter. You know why? We're leaving at 11 o'clock out of class. Freshman mixers, pussies. Alright, we're going through this way.
I mean, let's be honest. The class don't end until fucking 11:38. We're just being careful.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does. Class ends at 11:38.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
Indeed
it does.
Fuck you saying to me, little shit.
We're just making. See, that's how good we are. We're making sure that we're not late to class. See how we're good students. Good students over here. Make sure we're not late to class. Can't get
Bitches!
do that.
Fuck. Get clips.
Yes, sir. Yeah? Just in case we need to take a break for a little bit, we could come right here.
Chill right here, get poison ivy.
Yep.
Good spot, and then we do anything else. Oh shit, there's something over here.
Wow.
Hey, there's like an entrance way.
What? Shit. We're going into the woods now. Oh, fuck. Yeah, Nesta, I don't think we should go that far, dog.
Look at this is my house. I
Yep.
live here.
Yep.
My bed's right there. I sleep over here. I fuck
Bathroom
over-
is down that
outside.
way.
What?
Is the bathroom's down there?
Yeah. It's hard. We cross up these ways. Just so no one comes into our house.
Yeah, that's our fucking door.
Yeah, stuck on the ground. It's too big.
There we go,
Yeah.
buddy.
Gotta get the gate. Clips, buds.
Look at that.
Vine.
Oh shit, car.
Oh, what the fuck? Fuck, get out the way. It just scared the fuck out of me.
Get out of me.
What the
That scared the
fuck?
fuck out of me.
Let's get on this side. Yeah. Ow! Alright, let it get by. Let the car get by. Fuck.
Shit. Holy fuck. That gave me a heart.
Oh shit.
Oh. I'm gonna get right over. Who comes this way?
Almost got ran over.
Scare your shit off.
The
Who the fuck comes this way?
Dude, I expected this on cart. Best clip yet?
Oh, shit.
Alright, we're at 10:26.
Yeah,
Hold
after
on.
that, let's get the fuck back.
I don't think I even got the car. Like, going after us?
Shit. Yeah, that shit. Holy fuck. Fuck. Who the... Honestly, why this? Where are you going this way?
That's the guys. No, those are the guys from over there.
Were they?
Yeah, I saw the face.
Oh, yeah?
We'll clip it later. Wait, I'm not sure if I got a picture of him, but.
Oh, shit. God. Oh, well, if we see him at the school, oh, no.
We're scared.
Yeah. This is the only pathway to the fucking school, so...
Shit, if they stop, pull us over, and kill us. Wow!
Fuck.
Got it on video, pussy.
Yeah, that's what we got these weapons for. So I'm about to drop my
Shit,
bag,
and I
so
broke the
fucking-
fucking light over there. What they come after me?
Oh, shit. What if they needed that?
Oh shit. They pull out. Ah, you little shits.
Oh, they pulled up and then they had a fucking AK or some shit.
Yeah.
Or what if they pulled up and they said, get in?
Oh shit, I'd run.
I'd run my ass off. I'll throw the stick at the car.
Yeah.
Fuck. Try to break the window.
Fuck it. We're not posting these yet, but when we do,
Yeah.
we awesome.
Shit. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, where the fuck did they go?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, now I'm just now recognizing that they went exactly down here.
Yeah.
You see the car anymore?
I don't even see the school. Oh, look, there's a school over there.
I know I'm seeing it, like if we can see the car, like see where it's driving.
Yeah. Dude, you didn't even notice it was right next to you.
I didn't know. Did you? I know you didn't notice.
When I turned out, like, oh shit.
Yeah, all you see was the fucking lights and the car.
I was like, fuck. I just got ready. I was like, running in the front. I was like, ah. Wait, I'm not sure if I even got it on video of like you're right behind the car.
Yo, when did they pull up? Like,
I don't know. I think I was like this. I turned around. I didn't get it.
Last
We'll
time
find
I
out,
checked,
we'll
there
find
was no car there.
We'll find out. We'll find out. There's our gym again.
I still don't see a car in the distance. Right?
Oh my god. Wait, where are we going?
We're going back.
Wait, is this even the right way?
Yeah. Oh, the car's right there.
Where?
Oh, the construction line right there. This
Oh
side.
shit.
Is this the way back?
Yeah.
Sure.
Perhaps.
You see any lines actually? Because you drew lines.
Yeah.
Sure about that, bud?
Perhaps. Oh yeah, like this way. Remember? Fuck.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Bro, before I get jumped.
Let's just actually walk past like we're doing it.
School over there. Construction that almost runs over right there. Should I end the recording for us?
If they tell us to turn over, yeah. If not, just keep going. Or just put the phone down.
Just put it in your pocket. Okay. Bust down, bust down. Airdrop the photos to my head.
Drop what photos?
Yeah, you know Natalie?
Yeah.
Yo, what do you think of Boogie with the Hoodie song, John? It's kind of whack, huh?
Oh no.
Casual.
Again, just...
Yo, you should listen to you look like Old Town Road. Oh my god. Almost died. Yikes. Yikes.
That's the Yikers right there, boys.
Alright, I'm not sure if I should get this, but he's like, I don't know.
Time check?
You know, like, you think we're getting him?
Maybe. Doesn't matter. Just do it and then maybe go back. Yeah. Time check real quick?
Got how many minutes?
Like 8 minutes to get back.
And then how long till class?
8 minutes.
Whoa! I thought we were like getting that shit.
8
Alright.
minutes exact.
We kind of have to hurry up. You know, detours.
And I'll do tours. You like the cuts?
Yeah, someone's got run over.
Yeah.
I feel bad because I kind of left you.
I wasn't that too far behind. Kind of left.
Cause on that,
Oh, right
shit!
here.
I just took off running here. All what? Is it? Sure.
Yeah, it's this one. I left that shit there for a reason. Actually, not that far.
Sister.
Shit.
Styrofoam. Good
Yeah.
for the plants.
Yeah. Real good. Makes them live longer.
That's kind of hot, buds.
Yeah.
That sun.
Back's hurting again? Yeah, I'm gonna have a fucking.
We stop around when we get to school or what?
Should we stop?
Around when we get to school, I guess.
I don't know. Last time I took it over all the way till we watched the ball.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that was kind of weird.
I want to see that video for the car. I want to see if I got you. I think I just turned around and I just was like, oh shit, there they are again. All over there, boys.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Dribbling.
Ah. There they are again.
Damn.
Just walking there. Sorry guys, can't get good footage in them because they look really sketch.
Yeah. Yes. There's the arrow that I drew. Alright, we're going the right way.
Alright, there's my
Fine.
trail.
Made it back.
Ah,
We're 1984.
yes, boys.
See how fucking tired I am? Shit.
Fuck. Wait. Did you actually wait? Did you go the wrong way?
Yeah, we're going the right way.
So hot. Alright, how long do we have now? It's 8:33.
Right there? Alright, we good, we good. Pretty sure we are.
Alright.
Damn, right after this we're gonna go mixer.
Fuck yeah. And then come back, boys.
I don't know if I want to.
Go all the way over there.
Shit.
Great trail.
That's how far that fucking is? Not yet, not yet. Just keep doing it.
My guns.
This is where we leave the relics.
The relics.
Alright. So when we get to the field end it, I'll take my phone back. Alright boys, let's take a quick recap. Usually we cap Kiona and Jennifer at the end of the video. They don't even give a shit, so it doesn't even matter. They don't care about us. So yeah.